Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how I make my edits. So I like to go on YouTube to use my audios, and I'm just going to quickly speed this up because my Wi-Fi wasn't working and I just didn't know what audio to choose. So I ended up using the sound, it's called free fall.
You can let it all go, you can let it all go, it's called free fall, it's called free fall. Kind of the devil and the devil say, hey, why you been caught this late? It's like 2 a.m. and the bars are closed, he's dead in hell, it's a rule I made.
Then I will open up CapCut, that's the app that I use, and then I will press new project, and then click the clip that I'm using. I'm just using this clip for audio, so I just trim it down to be the perfect match for my audio, and nothing really changed about the sound and stuff. Then I like to select all of my clips that I'm going to be using, and then I will cut them to the sound, and I'll apply slow-mo to them, or this and that, just to make it perfect. But this whole clip is basically me just trimming down each of my clips to make them perfect, so they match with the sound. And sometimes I will even press the audio, and then I will press, match up the beats, so then that makes it even easier. So that's what I did for some of the clips. In this clip, I show you how to apply smoother slow-mo. So you just press the clip, press slow-mo, and then press better slow-mo at the bottom or smoother slow-mo, and you just have to wait for it to load. And I did this with each of my clips. Now here is the finished product.
You can let it all go, it's called free fall, it's called free fall. Kind of the devil and the devil say, hey, why you been caught this late? It's like 2 a.m. and the bars are closed, he's dead in hell, it's a rule I made.
Then I like to add text, and this is just one of the edits that I'm doing. It's welcome to the easy and harmless sport. And I normally like to add the white text and the black outline, and then classic too. It's just like, I just like that type of text in it. And then sometimes I'll press return, so then the text are in like more even and like bigger. And then I'm adding a different text, and I'm coloring it red, so it just pops out more. And then here, I'm just adding a little bit of a weight before I show the text. A little bit of a weight, it just isn't right into your face the second you click the video. And here is how I have the text fade in. So then I press animations after I press the text, and then I just scroll down and then I press fade in. Or you can do fade out instead if you prefer fading out instead of in, or if you fade in, you can do that. Then I will add more text and more fading, and here is the final thing with the text. Then I will export my clip, and I'll bring it into the new app called CapCut. This is where I add the, filter on it. I press the first one, and it is actually free. You just have to press X when that pops up and watch an ad. And then you can look at the effects after you press use preset, and it just looks so much better. It's like those aesthetic videos when you see those really great edits and they have that kind of filter on. It looks exactly like that, or really close to it. Then you just need to save it to albums, and it's really easy. And I'm just going to airdrop it to my iPad because that's where I have VideoStar. VideoStar is my next editing app, and this is how I make the clips kind of, I don't really know, it just like blends better. And I'll show you how to do that. So you're gonna press new, then transform, and at the bottom it's verse motion blur, but you can also use the other effect. You do have to pay for this one, which is really annoying, and it does take a long time to load, and I do this 2 to 3 times. For this video in particular, I did it 3 times, so it can just blend better, but it's your choice how many times you want to do it. Then I will go back to YouTube after I am done, and don't mind the avatar edit. I love Avatar, I just watched it, but I just go to YouTube. But before that, I just crop the video, then I go to YouTube, add the clip, and watch it over if you want. And then I add a little caption, and that is the end of the video. I hope you love the tutorial, and here's the final thing.
If I let it all go, it's called free fall. It's called free fall.